So explain me, Alex, what did we just do right now?
Yeah, so we took a file that you had in Photoshop and we converted it into a .stl file, and we took that and imported it into Makerbot's own software. So then we were able to, you can see this is a little rendering of the file. So it's going to be a little keychain, and so then it's currently heating up the extruder. Once it does that, it's going to move in, calibrate its position, and then it'll finally heat up to 215 degrees Celsius. And then it'll start extruding. So over here we have this PLA material. Right now we're dealing with some beautiful red, but you can use all different colors. This kind of machine will just extrude similar to like a hot glue gun, just very precise, and it should be nice. Yeah.
Awesome. It's moving.
Yeah. So it's getting ready to print. So it's just gonna calibrate. So nothing is happening yet. It'll still be another minute or two as it moves into position.
Ooh. Yeah, that's fine.
Sorry, my phone is ringing.
Okay, sure. Ta-da! Pretty cool.